Well, this morning I'll be photographing 2 ballerinas in the New York City subway system. Big challenge for me. I'm really excited to get started. I had the opportunity to photograph Caitlin Conrad and Aitana Jordan, both phenomenally beautiful dancers. We started out at the Hudson Yards subway station. I did a lousy job with the video. I was just really busy and excited to photograph these 2 ballerinas. I didn't get a lot of footage, but I cobbled together what I had, and I'll show you what I did. Well, after shooting at Hudson Yards, we headed downtown to check out another location. Alright, well, we took some shots at the Hudson Yards train station, subway station. Now we have come downtown to the Oculus, which is a fantastic transportation hub that was built, I guess, several years ago. And we'll see if we can get any good images there. All right, we got some amazing shots here. I am going to call it quits today. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did like the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Take care.